Okay, so in this question we had a table that summarised data for the investment and government expenditure components when calculating real GDP. Now we had to assume that the base year was 2010 and then use the data in the table to make some calculations to help match the descriptions and the data items that follow. So let's go through the correct answers one by one. The first statement we had was the investment index value for 2009. So basically what we want to consider is how we calculate the investment index number for 2009. Now we know the base year is 2010, so for 2009 we take the value, which is £203,824, divide that by the base year value in 2010, which is 223,334, to give us 0.912640, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index form, and that gives us 91.26420, round to 2 decimal places, and that gives us 91.26. That's the investment index value for 2009. Next, we want to calculate the government index value in 2007. So we know the base year is still 2010. So the value in 2007 was £325,757. Divide that by the base year value of 336,538, which gives us 0.96796949, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index number, which is 96.79649. Round to 2 decimal places, well, the 9 rounds up, and we get 96.80. Next, we've got the government index value in 1999, so that's the actual value, but the base year is still 2010. So we divide the actual value of £257,181 by the base year value of 336,538 to give us 0.764190, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index number, that gives us 76.41960. Round to 2 decimal places, the 9 rounds up to cause us to go to a 2, so we get 76.42 as the government index value in 1999. The next statement is the government index value in 2011. So the value in 2011 was 336,376. Divide by the base year value of 336,538, which is equal to 0.9995186, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index number to get 99.95186, round to 2 decimal places, and we get 99.95, which is the government index value for 2011. And finally, we're asked to calculate the government index value in 2012. Well, the value in 2012 was £345,733. Divide that by the base year value of £336,538 to give us 1.0273223, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index number, and finally rounding to 2 decimal places gives us 102.73, which is the government index value in 2012. And those are the correct matches.